All right, good morning, guys. I know today in class we were working with an application that involved you having Java installed on your computer. And so I just wanted to create a quick little video to kind of go through a way to download it without having to call tech support. But know that if the way I'm suggesting to do it doesn't work, you will need to call tech support, and I will show you how to access their information so that you can get that assistance. If you have already had me today, then you may have already called tech support. If you haven't and you're unable to get this figured out, you'll have to call. But we are going to be using I'm going to be sending you a file today and tomorrow in class that is going to involve you having the Java app on your computer. So in order to do that, the best thing for you to do is to simply type into Google, not Facebook, Java download. And you can come in to here, and it's typically going to be the first one that comes up, and you just click download free Java software, and it will take you to this website. This is where you can download Java for your desktop, and you do not need a subscription, you do not need a license, you don't need any of that stuff. You simply need to download the program and agree and start free download. Okay, this program will pop up. If you go ahead and click on that program, it's going to ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You can click yes. And then it's going to send you through the install process. I'm not actually going to install it because I already have it on my computer, but I did want to show you what this will look like so you can simply install it. If for whatever reason it's not working, again, you can call tech support, which I'll show you how to do that momentarily. If you already have Java on your computer, one thing you can do is, I know some students were telling me today, well, I have Java, but it says that I need to update my program. If you have it in your start panel, you can click on the program, and then it has an option for you to check for updates. So you could click on that. If you're not seeing it in your start menu, you can always go to your Windows Explorer, which is the little folder, and you can simply go to this PC and you can search Java. Let's see what comes up. So I have Java set up here. It's an application. It will continue to go, and you might have some other options as far as folders. I was looking to see what kind of folder they had for Java. Do not see it here. Again, I am not tech support. I'm simply giving you a shortcut. I try to problem solve on my own, but this was how I was doing it. Probably not this way because it's very confusing. So if you are having trouble with this, then what I need for you to do is you can go to, if you go to help.k12.com, it's a help site for learning coaches and students. So you could request support online. So there's two ways you can do this. You have a toll-free number here that you can call, and they will give you immediate assistance, especially if you're trying to get this done before you come to class today. So you can access it that way. I'm not sure what this will do. Oh, this is just going through how you can contact them. The best thing for you to do is to contact them through this phone number. So if you give them a call, they'll be able to kind of walk you through how to get Java on your computer so that you're able to download and open these simulations. I hope that this was helpful to you. And again, please know I am not tech support. I am just showing you how I downloaded it on my computer and how I have had students instruct or downloading it all day. So I simply wanted to give you a video to show you how to do it, at least how to do it the way students have been doing it today. So again, if it's not working, please, please, please call this number. They are here to help you with any tech challenges, with any tech problems. That's what they're there for. You can call this number. You may have to be on hold for a little bit, and that's okay. But I have called this number so many times, it's not even funny. And they are amazing. They will help and they will fix it for you. And if they can't, they will guide you to where you can get it fixed. So anyway, again, I hope this video has helped you, and I will see you in class.